Hi, this is Kaisar from RankNinja.com. Today I'll show you how you can connect your website with Google Tag Manager or GTM. Google Tag Manager or GTM is a free tool provided by Google that enables your website to install different marketing tags without modifying any code of your website. It helps to install all the event tracking code and analytics code in your website without modifying or touching the main code of your website. So let's see how to connect Google Tag Manager with your website. This is a fresh website and there is no tag manager connected here. Let me show you. Look, result of tag analysis 0 or no tags found. Anyway, I'm using a extension for checking this, that is Google Tag Assistant Legacy for Google Chrome. You will find it from Google. Just you have to search Google Tag Manager Legacy. This is the extension. You can install it, or this is anyone. Check. Yes, this is the first result is the extension. I have already installed, so it is showing remove from Chrome. In your case, it will show add to Chrome. Okay. So I showed you that there is no tag installed here. So first create a tag manager account from tagmanager.google.com and create account. Give account name. I am giving Rank Ninja. You can put any name here, and you have to put a container name. Container name should be matched with your website name so that you can identify which container is for which website. Okay, let me put it like this, web container. And this is a website, so select, I am selecting website. You should also select website and now create. You have to agree with the terms and condition. Okay, it was created. Now you have got a code from here, and it is telling that paste this code as high in the head of the page as possible. That means it is asking to paste this code of the head section of every pages of your website and paste this code on the body section of your website. Okay, but we will not use it, just we need this tag ID. You will find it from here, also you will find it from here. All is the same, and if you close that dialog, you can reopen it by clicking this. So I need this one and copy this. I already told you that I will not modify any core code of my website. So let's go to the admin panel. So here, okay, I have logged in on the dashboard of my website. Now go to plugins and click install plugins and add new plugin. Here search GTM. I need this one, GTM for WP Thomas by Thomas, and this is totally free and it actually works very well. There are also any other plugins, but this one is really very useful. Okay, just I'm installing it and activating. Okay, so it is showing that to start using Google Tag Manager for WordPress, please enter your GTM ID. This is the GTM ID or this is the GTM ID. Anyway, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. It inspires me a lot to create more useful video for you. And if you need any help, you may contact with me through this channel, email address and WhatsApp number. Okay, let's uh, find GTM for WP and click settings. Here, Google Tag Manager ID, I have already copied and I'm pasting it and save changes and container code 1 and again click save changes. Okay, now I am reloading the website and look, I have to enable this plugin again. Now I am reloading this website and look, it has found the tag manager that I have connected with this website. And for cross-checking, you may match the ID. It ends with 79SD. Here also 79SD. Okay, so in this way, you can easily connect your GTM with your website. Thank you.